Good afternoon, everyone. Well, good morning, everyone. Sorry. We're looking at my first ever Stührling watch today. This is a brand I actually used to wear a long time ago, probably when I was like 15 or something. So looking back, just under 10 years, and that's yeah. I thought I'd go and have a little review of another one today. We're going to be looking at one of the Stührling Depthmaster Heritage editions today. So initial look at the box. We've got a simple sort of cardboard outside cover here, gold Stührling embossing on the top there. Simply slides out to reveal a nice orange box. I think the brand has changed since I last sort of looked at it. I think they're more sort of the cheaper style luxury watches. Not often a brand you see really in the shops. Nice stylish box, definitely unique. Simple folding lid, nice, well defined, and it's nice and thick as well. See full orange and black sort of detailing going all the way around the inside as well. Nice cushion as well as cleaning cloth. Yeah, the Stührling brand definitely has changed. They didn't sort of pack their boxes like this before, but yes, it's a good quality to see. Nice little watch cleaner as well in there with the own print. And even got little wires to hold in that watch in place. A nice instruction manual as well, just held inside that elastic band at the top there. Overall, good first impression. So here we go, guys. This is the Depthmaster Stührling Heritage 42mm. So let's remove this bit of plastic, actually, if we can. Go. There's another one on top. So I've got £250 retail price. With a weight of probably around like 250 grams. It's quite a hefty watch. Uses a Swiss automatic movement that is a 883H spec. Full sapphire glass going across the top there. Let's have a look at the dial. So the dial is a full black, jet black style finish with obviously orange and white detailing with fully luminous hands, fully luminous inkwints as well. Nice gliding arrowhead style as they're concerned. Like a nice thing to see there. Almost looks like a GMT piece with these orange detailing, this orange detail here. Date dial just down here as well, no cyclops eye. Full dashes as well, and a chrome inside of the face effect as well. This watch comes with a 200-meter water resistance. A 120 click bezel on this actual bezel itself. Fully luminous sort of bubble on top there. It is unidirectional with a nice little sort of bit of playback so that you can turn it and then move it back into position to line it up with the inkwints nicely. A full grey finish on it. I think it would look better potentially with black, but I think this grey is probably just right because grey and black seems to be quite a popular mix nowadays. So come around to the casing. Got full stainless steel casing going on here, all around the side as well, consistent going all the way around there. Crown protection as well as a tint. Oh, that's tinted blue, or that's a cover. I think that's a cover. Let's have a look at the crown movement. Got a nice decent winder to it, nice and delicate, but delicate yet you feel the quality there. Third position, nice well defined click to the actual date dial. Second position, very nice well defined clicks and a good rotation to the crown movement. There we go. 200-meter water resistance with this specific watch. Going down to the strap, got an oyster style strap, Stührling's own additional sort of strap for it. 20mm in diameter. Again, that's very common for a oyster style strap size. Adjustable by little tiny pins on the side there. Come down to the buckle. We've got a deployment style buckle here, revealing a nice, good quality interior skeleton piece. Often you see the quality fall down on these sort of areas. Nice double button deployment system and a good click down. We've got an exhibition style case back, so you can see that 883H Swiss automatic movement in the back there. Nice sterling finish around the actual outside of the crystal, of the glass. So there we go, guys. That is the Stührling Depthmaster Heritage.